In this video, we're going to talk through setting up support levels. Support levels are your SLAs you deliver against your assets. Some examples could be 24 by 7 by 4 or 8 by 5 by next business day. Support levels are going to be attached to an asset when creating a quote. To create support levels, you want to go to Settings, Account Setup, Platform Settings. Once there, you're going to hit the Support Levels tab. Next, you're going to click Add Support Level. So first you want to set your priority. So in this case, we'll leave the default of 1, and then we're going to put in a name. So I will do 7 by 5 by next business day. Next, you're going to want to put in the SLA OK threshold in minutes. So we're going to take a moment and talk through the SLA clock. The SLA, or Service Level Agreement Clock, refers to the time frame during which a service provider commits to meeting a certain level of support. The SLA clock is a time counter in hours, minutes, and seconds. When we look at an example case, you can see the SLA clock has not started when it is first created in draft. The SLA clock will start when we change the case status to open. The SLA clock will show the general time from when the case was opened. The clock will stop when the case is set to draft, waiting diagnostic, and scheduling. The SLA clock will end with the resolution of closing a case. Please note that the SLA clock can be manually stopped. There are different reasons that might warrant this clock to stop, such as waiting for a customer. The different reasons can be found under Settings, Account Setup, Help Desk Settings. And then you're going to go to Timer Stop Reasons. You can create a new reason by clicking on the Add Timer Stop reason. So if we look at a support case, I can click on the Stop SLA Clock, and then it's going to ask me for a reason. So I would just choose that from my drop-down list and click Stop. Then when the issue has been resolved, I can manually start the SLA clock again. The SLA OK threshold indicates at which point the status indicator will flag that the SLA threshold time has passed. So if you have a 1-minute SLA, the clock status will be flagged as not OK after 1 minute. So getting back to setting up our support level, for this SLA OK threshold, we're going to have 24 hours, which would be 1,440 minutes. So I'll just put that in here. Next, you can add a description if you'd like, and then when you're done, just hit save. So now I've created my new support level.